Okay, so I am going to install SSD in my desktop. Now those who are having laptop and those who know how to do this in a desktop, they can skip this section and move to the section where I have shown how to install the OS from HDD to SSD. To insert the SSD, you need these two types of cable. The red one is the SATA cable. You will found SATA written over the cable. Now this one is the power cable. Okay, I had the SATA and power cable extra. It was see here it was plugged in. See, this is not my HDD. Okay, this one is my HDD, and here already a SATA cable and a power cable is plugged in. Okay, here if you found see this type of place, see here nothing is there to insert. See, no, if you found it is inserted on a place that is not a drive, then you can plug it out. Okay, those are extra. Now I will insert the SSD. See, I have this SSD. Here there is two portions. See, the smaller one is for SATA cable and the bigger one is for power cable. Here you need to insert the SATA cable here. Okay, and the power cable here. Okay, while doing this work, your system should be unplugged. No power should be given to your system. Okay, now after inserting the cables, it will look like this. See carefully. It's very easy. You can do it very easily. Okay, now my SSD is inserted. Now I will see here beside the HDD there is an empty place. I can just keep it here. See beside any empty place, what do you think? Your SSD will not move much. You can place it here. See, there beside the HDD there is a place. In your PC you will also find many places where the SSD will get a little bit support. See, I did not have to buy extra power cable. If you are using one hard drive with your system, previously if you are using, then you would surely have extra power cable left for another hard drive, and with that you can attach the SSD. Okay, and if you are buying new cable, then you have to attach that new power cable. After inserting the SSD inside the disk management, you will get this portion, see disk 1, and see it will be an unallocated space, so we need to give a drive, make it a drive. Okay, so I will just right click, then new simple volume, then okay, full size, okay, drive letter is fine, then next, okay, file system NTFS, okay, perform a quick format, okay, it's fine. Now next, finish. Now I am doing this second time, so I haven't got one option. Previously, after inserting the SSD for the first time, I got a menu whether to make my disk partition GPT or MBR. Okay, after inserting the new SSD, you will get that option. So what to choose between MBR or GPT? That you need to that information you will get from the previous HDD which you had. I am right clicking on the HDD, that is disk 0. I will right click here, then properties, then volumes, then see partition style GPT. So the new SSD, you need to make it a GPT disk.